Hello traders and investors, Tyson Clayton here, talking about something that I get asked all the time, which is how do I pick a Forex broker to choose? And I've come up with some of the most important things that I look for. In fact, these 4 things are really, really important. Before we go into these, I want to talk about one of the other really important aspects, which is making sure that you pick a broker that isn't a middleman. What I mean by that is you got to make sure you pick a broker that isn't dealing with a dealing desk, right? Dealing desk is like a market maker. It's somebody, if I place an order in the euro dollar, I want that to go straight to the market and execute. I don't want that to have to go through circles and go between one man to another and then finally get filled. I want direct access to the market. It's called no dealing desk brokers. Very important to look for that. The other really important things that we need to talk about is security, leverage, demo accounts, and customer service. Now, security is the #1 most important thing in my mind, because it doesn't matter how good the spreads are, right? How good the bid and the ask, or how cheap it is to be able to trade through this broker. If they're not secure, if they're not regulated, if I can't trust them, then I probably shouldn't be trading with them. So security is #1, and there's a whole lot of great information online that you can search for to find the most secure, the best brokers that offer really good services. Leverage. Let's talk about leverage for a second. In fact, leverage is one of my favorite things. The reason why I love the currency markets is because the leverage is amazing. It's almost like using other people's money. I'll give you an example. Let's say I have a $1,000 account. In the United States, there's brokers that will allow up to 50 to 1 leverage. Overseas, in the international markets, you can actually get up to 100 or 200 to 1. What that means is I can open up a $1,000 account and trade it like it's $50,000. Now, the reason that's so important is because let's say I get into a position in the euro dollar and it moves 1%. It's a pretty big move in the currency markets. A 1% move, right? 1% move, if I'm trading with $50,000 position, is a $500 profit on a $1,000 account. Think about that. That's a 50% return. You can't get those returns anywhere else. That's called leverage. Now, leverage cuts both ways. We got to make sure that we know what we're doing. We got to make sure that we put the practice in to understand the technicals and the fundamentals that we've talked about before. But leverage is very, very important. You want to be able to utilize that leverage to maximize your returns. Very important. The third thing, demo account. Now, the reason this is important is because the idea is to start trading, get a broker, start trading and generating income, right? To get to a point of profitability. Before we do that, we got to make sure that we've tested the strategies, that we've vetted them, that we make sure that the strategies are profitable. And we do that through a demo account. Demo account is just like a real account. Now, one of my recommendations would be this. If you're going to look to open up a demo account, make sure you open up a demo account that's realistic to the account size you're going to be opening up. For example, if I'm going to open up a $10,000 account, I can't do a demo account that's $1 million. I've got to make it realistic. So you can open up a demo account. Nice thing about demos is that it's a reset, right? If I make a mistake, if I do something wrong, I can reset and I can test multiple strategies with the demo account. Customer service. Now, this is one of those things that, it's really not that fun to talk about. It's not that exciting. 99% of the time, I don't really even think about customer service. But I need to make sure that when I do need customer service, when I have a question, when I need to respond to somebody or I need to reach out to somebody, I need to make sure that they're available, right? Customer service is very, very important. So these are the 4 most important things. I need security, I need leverage, I need access to a demo account, and I need good customer service. If I get all of those in my brokers, then I've got something amazing. Listen, I want you guys to come to one of our live trading sessions. You can click on the link below. We'll see you in the trading rooms. Hey, and if you've watched this on YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Oh, yeah, that was it.
That's good. Yeah, got it.